Justice for uCWECWE.
Abafundi benyuvesi yase Goli bazwakalisa ukukhathazeka mayelana nezigameko zakamuva Zodlame Olweyamene Nobulili ezweni nokungaqhakanjiswa ngendlela efanele kwalezi gameko kwabezindaba.
Last year, remember, we had the Jocelyn case whereby she was allegedly kidnapped by her own family members, which is saying that in South Africa children are not safe. Like we had the case of the Limpopo girl last year, December, when she got pregnant by an adult man. So all we are saying is that it's high time that our constitution and the law and the people in power.
As a man, I feel disappointed because, again, if you look at the population of women in South Africa, is plus minus approximately 40 million. And now 40 million. Eh? So now, again, if you look at the stats of 2020, it was 20,000 women that were raped. So now, as a man, we feel like maybe we're not taking our women serious.
Amaphoyisa athi akekho saboshiwe ngokudlwengulwa kukaCWECWE njengoba bengekho abasolwa abaziwayo. Abafundi bathi sebelahlekelwe yithemba kwezobulungiswa kanti nabo sebehlalele ovalweni.
Basically, the justice system is failing us over and over again. We are not safe in the streets, we are not safe at night, even at school now we are not safe.
We've been fighting for so long in this country and we demand justice now. We deserve to be free.
We will fight, and we will do whatever is necessary within our means. If the justice fails us, that means we will have to take it to the streets.
Njengoba uphenyo luqhubeka, izinhlangano eziningi nomphakathi zithembise ngokuzwakalisa ilakalazo emgwaqeni kuze kuba uCWECWE nabanye abasesimeni esifanayo bathola ubulungiswa.